This video is not gonna be only about these products are cute, it's about more practicality of the experience of wearing it and aftercare as well. I purchased this Vivaia sandal 2 years ago and I loved it so much. And Vivaia was nice enough to send me these two new products, and one is a Maven Sneakers and this is Kara 2.0 sandal. I went to Southeast Asia travel for 3 weeks only using these two shoes. During this video, I'm gonna talk about what these product looks like and how I wear it and where I wear it and what my experience was overall and what the condition looked like after I traveled for 3 weeks. I went on a boat ride, I went on a plane, I went to dirty subway station, clean area, everywhere. So stay tuned, and if you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. And make sure to use the GOTINA10 code if you are interested to purchase anything, you will get extra discount. Now let's dive in. So when Vivaia reached out to send me products for this trip, I actually had a choice in what I picked. And I was very intentional about it. Southeast Asia in the summer is hot, humid, and you are literally on your feet all day. I needed shoes that could handle a boat, beach, dirty areas, nice hotels, and still look decent for dinner. That's not easy to find. So I picked the Maven Sneaker specifically because I have wider feet and semi-flat feet, and I have always struggled with sneakers squeezing my toes by end of a long day. The Maven has this wide toe box that actually lets your toes spread out naturally, and it's a barefoot style zero drop sole, meaning it's flat, not raised, so it's supposed to engage your foot muscle more as you walk. For 3 weeks of non-stop movement, that matters a lot to me. The shoe is very flexible, eliminating the painful friction, and also you can take out the sole to actually wash that separately or together as well. I personally wear this with low-cut socks so it doesn't show my socks. I literally wore this shoe everywhere whenever I don't want to wear a sandal, and it was super comfortable. And then for the sandal, I chose the Kara 2.0 because I needed something I could throw on for beach days, pool days, quick morning walks, and mall walks everywhere, but still had actual support and a little bit of height because I'm only 5.1 feet. A lot of sandals are cute but kill your feet after an hour. The Kara 2.0 has 2x arch supports and this elastic back strap so it stays secure and doesn't slip. I was literally worried about the strap because I thought it's gonna slip out, but it didn't in my entire trip, and it's still strong, it's not loosened at all. I guarantee that. Also, both of the shoes are very light to carry for Southeast Asia because any type of Asia airlines could be very strict with the weight even you are bringing it as a carry-on. That's why I chose these two shoes. So I came back from my 3 weeks of Southeast Asia, visiting Philippines and Malaysia, and this is the condition of the shoes. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed. It's not that dirty for traveling. Especially these sneakers. I thought it's gonna be dirty because I went to ocean, boat ride, even like clean and dirty places like subway and dirts and as well. I'm very impressed. For cleaning for this, I was planning to actually put in a washing machine because I can put it, but I'm not gonna really do it because it's pretty good. But what I can also do is you can actually take this out to wash it in the washing machine, but I'm just gonna wipe it down. For this slippers, exterior wise is pretty clean and these fabrics are like impressively clean as well. I don't know what my feet is producing. It got dirty here inside. So I'm gonna use the wipe and Q-tip to try to clean this. Don't judge my feet. Yeah, so let's start. Starting with the sneakers. I'm just gonna wipe this down. I am wiping with Clorox for your information. Again, you can put this in the washing machine. I'm just not doing it. And here, there's some dirty spots. Let's see how it wipes down. Yeah, it's wiping very clean. You see here, it's dirty. This shoe is pretty impressive, honestly. It was so comfortable to wear too. So, and this area is dirty. wipe it. It's almost like a new shoe I can make. So I cleaned this one fully and this one I didn't. Yeah, it's very, very clean. You can see the sides. It almost looks like new compared to this. And I'm gonna give a love to this one as well. I actually have no idea how I'm gonna be able to wipe this one. Let's see. Don't judge me. Oh, okay. This is a good idea, I think. It's like coming out. Is it gross?
Yeah.
Oh. So if you use Q-tip like this, it'll be easier to clean this in between. And clean the side. Yeah, this one, the thing comes out very good too. Vivaia know how to make shoes. It's like comfortable to wear and easy to take care as well. This is after cleaning and before. You can see the huge difference. Now let's take care of this one. So overall conclusion about these shoes. First, the sneakers, the cleanliness, it was very easy to maintain. I can wipe it, I can even wash it. I can even take out the sole and wash that solely as well. That's something is extra plus. And for the comfortness, it was super comfortable. I'm a type of person, I can only wear a Nike Dunk because that is kind of more supportive for the flat feet as well. Since I do have a semi-flat feet, this was the area it was always pressing my feet and uncomfortable. But this one is wide, so I did not feel any pressure here and it was pain-free. So I was walking 10,000 steps plus a day. I did not feel any pain here, and overall my walking quality went up. I feel great. So anyone who's trying to walk 10,000 steps plus day, this is the shoe. And it was also breathable, so you don't feel like your shoe is getting stinky or anything, and you feel like you're getting some air. So it was very nice to wear. For the look and feel, I think this shoe supports any daily look for your clothes. Anywhere I go to the hotel lounge, I feel comfortable and confident to wear this. It doesn't look too sporty or something like that. I can wear this with jeans or little shorts and everything. And it looks nice. It's like a contemporary feeling. So if you're looking for any travel, comfortable and good look and feel sneakers, I would recommend this. And moving on to the sandals, I was very impressed about this cleanness as well. I was wearing this shoe more often than sneakers because I go on the boat ride, sand beach, and like subway station, mall, everywhere, like clean and dirty places. For that condition, it stayed pretty clean. And most importantly, was it comfortable even though it has heels? Yes, it was very comfortable. Even though it has heels, I did not feel like pressure anywhere and something like that. Of course, this is not for flat, so I get a little bit of like pressure point here later after like 8,000 steps like that, but it was not that bad, honestly. And I was a little bit worried about this is not a strap for like you can hook it, but it was very strong enough to not slip out my feet because I was worried about it's gonna slip out, but it did not. And this cushion was very comfortable. So you will feel comfortable, and this look and feel also is like gives me elevated look, confident to wear with my dress, jeans, shorts, anything like that. Goes with my most of my outfit. I wear this to hotel lounge, airport, any dress down places as well. If you have to just travel with two shoes to any country like Southeast Asia especially, this is the one I would recommend. I'm very satisfied. It's not because Vivaia sent me this product, because I was thinking these will be very good for my travel, and I tested out for 3 weeks. Yes, it was. If you have any questions about this shoe, please leave a comment below. And I really hope this kind of video helps you. Like, I know everyone talks about, oh, the Vivaia shoe is cute and they wear it, but no one talks about how did it feel? How did you take care after your travel and stuff like that? So I really want to make this video to showcase to you guys to give more confidence before purchasing. So it's not something I want to sell it to you guys to buy it. Hey, this was my experience. You may want to take a look before purchasing. And make sure to use a Gotina 10 code to get an extra 10% discount. I'll have a affiliate link below and a discount code for you so you can save some money. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And let me know if you have any products you recommend me to try it. Then if I can get a hand on it, then I will try it and share my review as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.